EMA is Enterprise Management Associates, and what we specialize in is understanding the tools, technologies, and practices for managing IT. So oftentimes there's no quick and easy way to troubleshoot a complex problem, but one thing is essential throughout, and that's visibility. If you don't have a good view of everything that's going on, you'll never have a good chance of getting to the bottom of complex problems in any sort of reasonable time frame. So IT can gain visibility into these infrastructure and application elements primarily by setting up management tools that harvest and do regular collection of measurements of how things are going. Is it reliably available, number one, but more importantly, more challenging these days, is it performing to expectations? So long-term packet capture is one of the techniques used for establishing that visibility. And the value of doing long-term packet capture is very much trying to figure out a problem that happened, maybe didn't happen right now, maybe you want to know what happened leading up to a problem, maybe it happened overnight last night when no one happened to be watching the monitors and catch it right then and there. It's really important to have that little bit of ability to look back in time and see what really happened around a problem.
Network Instruments is a company that's involved in application performance monitoring. What that means is for our customers, we help them troubleshoot and proactively manage their applications. IT teams need to focus on application level problem solving because that's where the rubber hits the pavement with users. We talk about the concept of end-user experience. When a user logs on with a mobile device or a client, ultimately it's the application they see, not the infrastructure and networking. If you have that mindset as an IT team, you're a long way towards optimized solution delivery. The importance of an overall view from an operational perspective can never be overstated. In this day and age of large infrastructures and complex multi-tier applications, having that high-level view is critical to solving most problems today. Network Instruments solutions are designed for a seamless workflow. That workflow means that you can start at either individual packets and or a high-level dashboard and quickly get to the problem. The Observer platform consists of 4 products and is used to give complete visibility to application performance running on your infrastructure. It begins with ORS, Observer Reporting Server, that gives you a dashboard level view of the infrastructure and applications. Reporting up to ORS is Observer. Observer provides the expertise and analytics necessary to solve application issues by looking at packets. Now, Gigastore works closely with Observer by capturing those packets and writing them to disk. Think of it as a security camera for your network. Tied in closely with those is Observer Infrastructure. So Observer Infrastructure takes a slightly different take. Rather than looking at packets as they traverse the network, instead it actively interrogates devices, finding out what the issues may be, tying it into an application-centric view, and reporting that up to ORS. The value of having Gigastore capture all the packets as opposed to just a summary data is critical in the most difficult application issues. Typically these issues occur in the past, and without the ability to go back and look at individual packets, actually getting to the root cause can sometimes be impossible.